A pre-owned 2015 Mazda CX-9 Touring. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 128,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.